This is from the children to me. Paid by me.
I don't have any money.
You like the short straw?
Yes.
Yeah, I really like it. It's really
Wow.
You can't take this to work though. This is something you throw out. This is a nice one.
Yeah, I wanted the white purse.
This is for Ashley from everybody. Santa.
Wow.
Can you stop,
Right.
please?
That's surprise.
Act surprise.
I wonder what it may be.
Wait, let me put on something.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh boy, what is that? Do you know what it is?
No, I have no
I
idea.
already know what it is.
Okay, come on. Oh, it's a tiny little package.
Dad, could you stop, please?
Small things come in big.
Mom, you better not post this anywhere.
No, this is our private things. We can't post this.
Oh,
Come.
Michael Kors.
Oh.
Hannah. Okay,
Hold on. I thought she knew this.
Okay, put some AC. Joe, that was for you. Dad, stop videotaping. Okay, come on.
I will look at it when I get retired, okay? So don't worry about it.